Hi friends, my name is Ritesh and today I would like to show you that how to use time intelligence function in SQL and time intelligence function in Power BI. Okay, so let me take a example from the table which is a dim employee. Okay, so here you can see that I have a birth date column. Okay, so from this birth date I want year, month number, date, okay, and month name also, weekday number and weekday name. So how I can get this the same from this column. Okay, so let me execute this command. It will be select from the team employee. Okay, and I have to give the date part command for this to extract the year. Okay, so it will be y comma birth date. I will alias this as year, so you can alias it according to your choice also. I will use again date part command to get the month number, so it will be comma birth date. Okay, and I will alias this as month underscore number. Okay, now I want the date also, so it will be again date part. This time it will be day comma birth date. Okay, I will alias this as day. Okay, now I want the month name also, so I will use a date name command. Date name month comma birth date. I will alias this as month underscore name. Okay, now I want the weekday number and weekday name also, so I will use a date name again. Okay, and it will be weekday comma comma birth date. Okay, as weekday underscore name. Okay, now I also want the weekday number, so it will be date part. Okay, and it will be weekday comma the name of the column which is birth date. Okay, as weekday underscore number. Okay, so let me execute this command. So here you can see, and also I will give the birth date column along with this also, so it will look better. Okay, birth date. So here is my birth date. So year is 1981, month number is 11, day is 12, month name is 11, month name is, sorry, November, because month number is 11, weekday name is Thursday, and weekday number is 5. Okay, so here you can see that date part will always give you the result in no, integer. Okay, and date name is will give you the result in character in varchar. Okay, so now how we can get the same result in Power BI. Let me go to my Power BI window and I have the same table dim employee. So I will use a new column. Okay, new column, and firstly I will calculate the year from my birth date. So it will be simple year. Okay, and just I have to give the name of the column which is birth date, so it will give me the year of the same year. Okay, new column I have to create now for month number. Okay, so it will be month underscore number. Now I have to simple give the month command and just give the column name of birth date, so it will display me the month number also. So here you can see that month number is also displayed. Now I want the day also, so it will be simple day, and it will be day. Okay, day, and I have to give the birth date and just close the parenthesis, hit enter, and it is also giving me the day. Now I want the month name also. So how I can get the month name here? Let me tell you. Month name, month underscore name. It will be format formula for the is used for this for getting the month name format. Okay, it will be birth date comma in double quotes we have to write MMN. Okay, 4 times, Let's close the bracket and hit enter. So it is also giving me the month name. Now I want the weekday number. Okay, so it will be weekday underscore number. Okay, weekday, it will be date, so birth date. Okay, and return type will be date, and just close this bracket and hit enter. So now weekday number is also giving me the correct results. Okay, now I want the weekday name also. So how I can get that weekday name? It will be weekday underscore name. Okay, format function again I will use for that. It will be birth date, comma, in double quotes you have to return DDD 4 times. Okay, just close this bracket and hit enter. So it is also giving me the weekday name. Let me correct the spelling error from there. Weekday name. There is also another way of doing this calculation, so I will tell you. Just go to transform data. From here it will redirect you to the Power Query editor. Okay, and now you can just select that birth date column where birth date, and here just create this the duplicate column of this. It will be duplicate. You can rename it according to your choice also. Now just click on transform, and here you can transform this column into year, quarter, month, week, week of year, week of month, start of month, day, day of week, day of year, start of and name of day. Okay, month, start of month, day, days in month, name of month, according to your choice. So this is also a effective way of doing this. Okay, so you can decide that what method you can choose to do the time intelligence calculation. Okay, so hope you guys you will like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.